Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be covering the one of the topic which is related to the how to blur the applications in the multitasking tray. As you can see here, so it is a multitasking all the applications, and few of the users due to the privacy concerns, they want to blur the particular application similarly like this from the multitasking. So for example, if you use the app lock functionality to the YouTube, so app will get locked, but the application will be displaying the information in the multitasking. So that is another disadvantage. So even though you lock the application, but basically you can see the content in the multitasking. So instead of that, you need to, if you want to blur, there is another method you need to know in the Poco X3 device. As you can see right now, I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, and in this video I'll be guiding you step-by-step process how to do that and what are the things to know as well. And make sure to follow me regularly for more interesting updates, and try to check the links in description for the best wallpaper applications and the playlist as well. So first thing is that for example, it is a Play Store application, and if you want to blur the Play Store application, so you just need to open the Play Store and go to the multitasking and long press on the Play Store application. As you can see, so you receive this kind of option, last option, which is the settings, so which will be taking you to the app info. So once you're in the app info, you do get this kind of option in the, when you scroll down, blurred app previews. As you can see here friends, so you just need to enable this option. So whenever you enable that option, the applications will get blurred in the multitasking tray, as you can see here. So in this way, you can actually maintain a little bit of more privacy and security as well for the applications, so which you want to. Like for example, mostly I will prefer to use the WhatsApp, Messenger and Facebook, Instagram. So those applications I will try to blur every time whenever I have the Redmi or Poco phone. So this is a method you can follow even in your Redmi and Poco phones as well. So even if you want to blur this MX Player, you just need to tap on the MX Player application and go to the app info and scroll down, and you can blur app previews, as you can see here. So similarly you can do for any application you want, you can hide them. So if you want, you can go to the app drawer as well, and go to the app drawer and click the contacts and go to the icon app info, and you can use the blur app previews. Even same thing for this application, app info and blur app previews. So this is the method how you can actually blur the applications from the multitasking tray in the Poco X3 device. So for more interesting tips and tricks, make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.